We were holding over Delhi, and now I had to take a call to divert because my fuel was very less. मतलब literally मैं उस point पे वो call लेना बहुत ज़रूरी था. And the moment हम divert हुए Jaipur was also hit by a storm, and I had no fuel to go anywhere else.
Some cases coming up, especially the crash cases in the Ahmedabad, has
Yeah.
been the most tragic of all.
Yeah. कोई मुझे बोले कि ये पायलट एरर था, I will not believe it because it is next to maybe 2% for me कि ये पायलट एरर हो सकता है.
Is it as glorified and as glamorous as it looks? Because layovers in fancy cities and having your chocola and pari and all of that, is it as
दूर के डोल
glamorous?
सुहाने. It is not at all as glamorous as it looks. It's a lot of struggle.
I want to know how much money is actually needed at the backup to invest in terms of the courses and studying.
Basically, you have to spend around.
Hi, Captain Arvind. Welcome to Arise Talks.
Hi, thank you so much for having me.
To begin with, for the audience, I want to tell that she is the youngest female commercial pilot in India. And we will
Was
be,
at my time, 18
yes,
years back
she
when I
was
joined.
18
Yeah.
years back. So she has about 18 years of flying experience.
Yes.
So we will be diving deep into that. But before that, how does one become pilot in India?
So at our time, when it was, you just had to do your 10+2
Okay.
in science, which is you need to have physics and maths as compulsory.
Okay.
And then you go to the flying school and log few hours and do your training in various, there's a private pilot license, instrument rating, and then a commercial pilot license that you get.
Okay.
Post which you do type rating for bigger airplanes, and then you apply for jobs, which is quite stressful.
Quite stressful. I
Yeah.
think it's very competitive these days because
It is very competitive, and also the demand now is still at a rise compared to what it was previously.
Really?
Yeah. We still have a lot of people coming in, yes, but airlines are also doing cadet programs and things like that. So people are getting jobs, I would say. It's not as bad as what it was at our times. At our times, we also had people who stayed at home for 7, 8 years just waiting for jobs.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, there's one thing that I've been hearing a lot about pilots is that, again, you've cleared that doubt for me that the jobs are still available, right?
Jobs are still available. Yes, it is still very, very
Crowded, I would say.
yeah, it is going to be, the competition is hard
It's
for
very
sure. And one needs to have financial backup if they
Exactly.
really want to become a pilot and put in that kind of money and time. So one has to be very clear about it. So yeah, it's not an easy journey, but once you are inducted in airlines, I would say things do happen automatically if you have your skills and
you know, the skill
yeah.
set is there.
Yeah.
I would agree. So, one more thing I would like to ask, what is the starting salary of a pilot?
So currently, what I've heard, like at our time, salaries were different. Unfortunately, a pilot's salary hasn't increased over the last many years, even though inflation has happened. Corporate salaries have gone up. So I would like to put it this way. Currently, I feel the salaries are in a way lesser than what they should be, which is a very honest truth because I'm kind of earning what I was earning 10 years back. So the salaries haven't increased. In fact, after COVID, we had a downfall in the salaries that happened throughout
Okay.
India post COVID.
That's like,
yeah.
depreciation happening in salaries of pilots.
Exactly. So I wish salary growth was happening, to be honest, because work has become harder than ever when you see so many sectors.
Yes.
So many flights have increased. Airplanes are flying left, right, and center. So obviously, a pilot is on duty for way more than what he or she was 10 years back, right? So I would have loved to see the salary also going up, but unfortunately, that hasn't happened. Having said that, let's be grateful for whatever we make. Let me put it this way.
Yes.
Starting for first officers, when they start with an airline, I think it is somewhere around 1.5 to 2 for them. And as you
Okay.
become a captain and a senior captain, salaries go up depending on your flying hours, your experience, and
That's
things
quite a
like that.
fancy number, I would say.
Not anymore in today's world, I would say, but yeah.
I mean, the cost of living has also increased.
Exactly,
So, yeah, I would,
exactly. Yeah. So workload is also really much
Very
more
high.
than what it was 10 years back.
So, you being a female pilot, so first I want to know your journey. How has it been like? Have you faced any challenges, any stereotypes, any judgments, being a female pilot and carrying hundreds of passengers every day in and out?
Okay, so I would put it this way. So when I started about 17, 18 years back,
Yeah.
I was just the second girl in Go Airlines who was there. So we were just two girls amongst all the male pilots. So all the girls came later than that, maybe a year, two, three, four, all of that. So we were just two girls initially when I started. So at that time, of course, like everybody knew us, right? It's very easy. To know two people out of hundreds, right? So everybody knows, okay, this is one girl and this is Arveen. These are the two girls flying in an airline. Stereotypes, I would say, see, the airplane doesn't really know your gender, whether you're a male or a female. You need to have the same set of skills, same set of knowledge to fly the airplane. So, but yes, people know the gender. And let's put it this way, we are Indians. We have a certain mindset. Yes, this is a male dominant industry. There is no doubt about it. Though now there are lots and lots of women pilots, especially in the airline that I'm currently working in. I think the workforce is about 20 to 30% women pilots,
Oh, that's
which is
amazing.
a great number, I would say. And I don't think the stereotype exists that much anymore. But yes, 15, 16 years back, it was a very big deal when I would tell people, oh, I fly airplanes or I'm a pilot. People would, like, some would really feel proud about it. And some would be like,
With a question mark. Like,
yeah, like,
you are.
why are you doing what you're doing, kind of a thing. And yeah, so things are changing in a good direction, I would say. And more than anything, I think I have majorly received a lot of positive feedback because I'm a woman and I'm a pilot. I've mostly received appreciation more than criticism,
It
I
is
would say.
commendable. I mean, flying at the age of 19, I
Oh,
mean,
yeah.
most
So for that, I would thank my mom, honestly, because she, like, when I decided I want to be a pilot, she went like heads on into it to figure out कब क्या करना है, कहाँ से करना है, कैसे करना है, and she got me into it so soon. Like very quickly, I was in Delhi to do my DGCA exams, and very shortly after, she sent me to the US to the flying school. So everything really happened on time for me, and that is only and only because of my mom and dad. So I think the credit goes to them that, she did all the research, she did all the paperwork, कि कितने exams होते हैं. She would come with me to Delhi, stay with me here for months while I would study for the exams. So that's the kind of support I had at the family end.
That's so sweet to hear.
Yeah.
And what is the feeling like when, I mean, I want to know from you personally, how does it feel like you are responsible for almost 100 to 100 lives every day?
I think it is a very responsible job, undoubtedly. It is, and also, I think as a mother now, when I fly, it means a lot to me, much more, because more than anything else, my life is also very important.
important.
I am
Absolutely.
their world and I need to. So I think I've just become more responsible post being a mother. I don't take things that casually anymore.
Yes.
For me, flying has always been a very serious profession. There is no doubt about it. It is one error and it could cost you a life.
Absolutely.
So one has to be very serious about it, whether it's brushing up your knowledge, your skills, or whatever is required, really. You have to justify the role you're playing, I feel. If you have been given that seat, if you're sitting on the captain's seat and you are the final authority of that airplane, you need to justify your role.
Do you still like feel nervous before?
Oh, no.
No.
No, there is no nervousness. No, that is not something that I think generally I'm a very confident person. Also, I've been flying for so many years. I have around 10,000 flying hours on Airbus 320. So obviously there's no nervousness, but there's no overconfidence also, because you can't be overconfident when you're flying an airplane, because every day is different, every situation is different. Aviation is very dynamic. You may be flying to a same sector every day, but still every flight will not be the same. So, yes, you just have to do your job, follow your procedures, follow your routes, and just do. I mean, it's a job. Now it's a job.
Now it's a job.
Yeah.
So I was about to ask you, ऐसा कोई इंसिडेंट हुआ या ऐसा कोई एक्सपीरियंस जिसमें आपने लास्ट मिनट कॉल लेना हो, you know, maybe it's a friction of seconds and cabin crew doesn't know, your passengers doesn't know, but it's a very last minute thing that you have to do while flying?
Oh yeah, we've had couple of them. I think, see, when you've been flying for so many years, I can remember so many incidents that has happened with me. You know, like uh, one specific one that I can share with you is there was once a very bad storm in Delhi, जिसकी वजह से Delhi airport was shut. So we were holding over Delhi, and now I had to take a call to divert because my fuel was very less. मतलब literally मैं उस point पे वो call लेना बहुत ज़रूरी था. And the moment हम divert हुए जयपुर, Jaipur was also hit by a storm, and I had no fuel to go anywhere else.
So what
So
did you do?
that was a very stressful situation in my cockpit, and that I remember very very clearly. हमने जयपुर में लैंड किया बिकॉज हमारे पास ऑप्शन नहीं था. हमने वो ही बुरे वेदर में विथ ऑल ऑफ दैट हमने जयपुर में एक बहुत ही बढ़िया सेफ लैंडिंग करी. एंड बट या मतलब ऑनेस्टली वो लैंडिंग के बाद और वो पार्किंग के बाद इवन आई वॉज लाइक अ लिटिल शेकन अ बैक, यू नो, बिकॉज ये एक्सपेक्टेड नहीं था. जयपुर में वेदर आना उस टाइम पे बिल्कुल भी एक्सपेक्टेड नहीं था, एंड एयरक्राफ्ट्स लैंड हो रहे थे. अनफॉर्चुनेटली जब तक मैं जयपुर पहुंची, जयपुर हैड स्ट्रॉन्ग विंड्स ऑफ सम 40-45 नॉट्स विच इज़ अराउंड 80 to 89 किलोमीटर्स के आसपास पर आवर की विंड्स. But yeah, I think we made it that day successfully. So there are a lot of small, small things like these which happen, you know, especially pre-monsoons में इतने diversions होते हैं, which has become a normal now.
Yes.
And so yeah, these
So
things
that's
happen.
entirely your call because you're the final authority in
Yes.
that.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Anytime you think a safe landing cannot be executed at an airport, you will divert. So yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Alright.
Mostly weather की वजह से diversions ज़्यादा होते हैं. हाँ.
Okay. All right. Do you ever get like, have you seen these pilot wala movies? Like the Neerja is
Yeah.
very famous
Hmm.
and all of that. Do you think that it has, you know, the situation is like that? I mean, of course, you have not had any
Of course not. It's an
experiences.
exaggerated version. Movies are just exaggerated versions of reality,
With
right?
more masala and all of that.
Exactly. वो सब added है उसमें. The only aviation movie I think I really loved was Sully, to be honest.
Okay.
Yeah.
I would want to talk about you being a mother. You have 2 kids.
Yes.
How do you manage everything? Because you're a woman, you're a primary caregiver, and especially when we're in India, we expect mothers to be the primary caretakers of their kids.
You still remain the primary caregiver,
Caregiver.
I think, irrespective आप किसी भी profession में क्यों ना हो. बच्चों को मम्मा ही चाहिए होती है. There is no two way about it. I like to take one day at a time, and it's more like family support तो चाहिए ही चाहिए. But lot of time, I'm at that stage कि my mom is not living in the same city. So unfortunately वो family support मुझे उतना नहीं मिल पाता है. So I am relying on staff and nannies, etc. But also I would say मैं बहुत preparation करती हूँ before I go for a flight. There's a lot of work जो background में हो रहा होता है, जो किसी को पता भी नहीं चलता. You know कि होमवर्क्स कराना हो गया, या फिर कीपिंग देयर एक्टिविटीज़ रेडी, कीपिंग देयर क्लोथ्स रेडी, टू कीपिंग देयर फूड रेडी, टू टॉकिंग टू देम अबाउट इट कि मम्मा ये फ्लाइट कर रही है, यहाँ पहुँच के आपको वीडियो कॉल करेगी, इतने बजे वीडियो कॉल करेगी, सो दैट देयर इज़ नो सरप्राइजेस फॉर देम, यू नो. उनको पता होता है, सो दे आर प्रिपेयर्ड. एंड नाउ दे 7 and 4, so they have understood this is the job, I think.
The next thing that I would like to talk about is your personal experiences with any of the passengers or fellow cabin crew members. I mean,
Oh yeah. So I
any
remember,
bizarre experience?
I remember there's one time, you know, when early morning flight, we were going to Srinagar.
Okay.
So there was this old passenger. So we were not getting clearance from ATC because of weather conditions. हाँ, दिल्ली में fog था, visibility थी नहीं, हम take off कर नहीं सकते थे, हमारे साथ 70 और aircraft wait कर रहे थे. So it was not a big deal. मतलब इट इज़ समथिंग दैट हैपन्स. दिल्ली में विंटर्स में बहुत कुछ होता है. श्रीनगर में भी विजिबिलिटी नहीं थी लैंड होने के लिए, तो हमें क्लियरेंस नहीं मिल रही थी श्रीनगर लैंड होने की. बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली ग्राउंड स्टाफ ने पैसेंजर्स को बोर्ड कर दिया और हम पैसेंजर्स के साथ अब एयरक्राफ्ट में वेट कर रहे हैं. सो आई वेंट आउट टू यूज़ द लैब टू द वॉशरूम. सो देयर वाज दिस ओल्ड गाय स्टैंडिंग नियर द एली. तो ही टेल्स द कैबिन क्रू, ओ इसीलिए हम निकल नहीं पा रहे क्योंकि लेडी फ्लाई कर रही है.
They said that.
He said that very, very clearly. I can never forget that in my life. And this is not, this must be like, I think, 8 or 9 years back. So I came out and the cabin crew told this to me. So मैंने बस उससे पूछा, सर आपको ऐसे क्यों लगता है? यहाँ विजिबिलिटी नहीं है, वहाँ विजिबिलिटी नहीं है, हम नहीं जा सकते. मैं चली जाऊँ क्या घर? अगर नहीं चाहिए आपको तो. I was very nice to him, okay? And then he said, नहीं नहीं बेटा, मैं तो मजाक कर रहा था. So
That's the stereotype. That's
yeah,
the judgment that you hear.
yeah. So you can't do
That's
anything.
patriarchy
People
for
think they can
us.
say anything and get away with it. Whereas मैंने ये बहुत notice किया है कि somehow जब आप एक as a passenger जब fly कर रहे होते हैं, you feel a captain is unapproachable, right?
Yeah.
But the moment they see a lady in the cockpit, they really feel कि
ये
approachable हो गए.
approachable है.
कि they will be like हम cockpit देख सकते हैं, हम बात कर सकते हैं, 2 मिनट या लैंडिंग के बाद कुछ बोलना है कि लैंडिंग बहुत अच्छी थी, लैंडिंग ये थी. It just what I have observed is कि जब आप एक आदमी को देखते हो ना वहाँ पर, you don't cross your boundary to come and talk. But if you see a lady, there are a lot of people who still think that it's okay to comment.
They feel that they have that authority
Yeah, to comment.
to comment.
Yeah.
So does it get very monotonous in the cockpit because, watching 4 to 5 to 8 hours of clouds, and because usually what I
It's
have
a very
seen
dynamic
that
environment, सच बोलूँ तो. मतलब
because
मैं-
we want to get into because again,
Yeah.
we don't step into the cockpit.
Yeah.
We don't know what's
Yeah,
going in there.
correct.
So I would like to dive deep into that. Like how
See,
does
so
it?
it's a very, very dynamic environment. I like, even if I'm doing, for example, अगर मैं दिल्ली से पटना आज 4 बार कर रही हूँ,
Okay.
मेरी चारों फ्लाइटें अलग होगी बिकॉज वेदर अलग होगा, फ्लाइट लेवल जो मुझे मिलेगा वो अलग होगा. यू सो बिजी ऑन ATC से बात कर रहे होते हो आप थ्रू आउट. कभी कभी रूटिंग्स चेंज हो जाती है, मोनोटनस हो जाता है व्हेन यूर आउट योर थर्ड या फोर्थ सेक्टर. आई वुड से थोड़ा सा किक इन होता है, बट एवरी फ्लाइट इज डिफरेंट. Every flight is different, every landing is different. And for a pilot, ask any pilot, ask any passionate flyer, and they will tell you every landing still gives you the kick, the adrenaline rush. We love landing the planes. So, like every landing is a joy for us.
It's a joy.
Yeah. So that keeps you going. यहाँ से मैं पटना पहुंच जाऊंगी, एक्साइटमेंट इतनी ग्रेट नहीं रहेगी या whatever, but landing के बाद pilots are like in full जोश. So the excitement stays.
Okay. And recently we've seen some cases coming up, especially the crash cases, and the Ahmedabad has
Yeah.
been the most tragic of all.
Yeah.
And I would like to discuss, it just dropped down in about few seconds of
Yes.
flying, taking
Yeah,
off.
yeah.
So what is your opinion on that? Of course, we don't have a correct verdict,
Yeah.
so to say.
Yeah, the
So what's
case
your
is still
opinion?
going on. We
Yes.
still do not know what is it. And it's a very famous saying, if the pilot is alive, you kill him. And if the pilot is dead, you blame him.
Yeah.
So it's very easy to blame pilots, right? It's the easiest.
They're
गाड़ी
not
का
there
गाड़ी
to
का
defend.
एक्सीडेंट होता है, हम सबसे पहले क्या बोलते हैं? ड्राइवर की गलती होगी.
हाँ.
So it's very, very easy to blame the pilot. But वहाँ पर उस सिचुएशन में क्या हुआ, इतने कम सेकंड्स में, what was the situation?
And they also have about more than 10,000
Oh, yeah,
hours
yeah,
of
yeah,
flying
yeah.
experience.
See, it for me as a pilot, if you ask me,
Yeah.
अगर कोई मुझे बोले कि ये pilot error था, I will not believe it, because it is next to maybe 2% for me कि ये pilot error हो सकता है. So अब क्या था? Let's wait for the case to come out in the open and we will see that.
Because within 8 or 6 seconds, they kept saying Mayday, 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 and after that,
Exactly.
it just
So it is a matter of few seconds. I don't
Yeah.
think anybody could have saved that crash, be it any pilot.
beat and
So I don't want to. It's just sad, we've lost pilots and cabin crew and so many passengers. So
only one walked out alive.
Yeah.
He literally walked
yeah,
out alive.
I don't know. It's such a miracle.
It's miraculous that
Yeah.
he just walked out alive.
Correct.
And it was just so I would say filmy scene, like the ashes and all of that.
Yeah,
Like you
yeah,
could
yeah.
see all of that coming, and he's just walking out of that.
Yeah,
That's
so Indian media makes a lot of news about everything,
Yeah.
and way too many news जितनी required नहीं है. So even at that time, I feel I was in fact flying that particular day when the
Okay.
Ahmedabad crash happened, and I was flying to Ahmedabad only. I was the first aircraft that landed into Ahmedabad after the the airport opened. So it was such a sinking feeling. It was such a dirty feeling, and all those pictures coming on your WhatsApp groups and media channels. Sometimes you just feel the media should stop. एक लिमिट होनी चाहिए जो इंफॉर्मेशन बाहर जाती है.
Exactly.
There should not be so much, because it disturbed me at least at that point. I would
course
say
it
it was
would.
very disturbing. The visuals were very disturbing. And yeah, let's stick to the information that the public need to know, right?
Exactly.
Let's not get so nasty जब हम share करते. It was very heartbreaking, is what I would say. And I knew 2 of the crew members who were on board.
So, Arvind, we were having this off-camera little chat about the lives of pilot, right?
Yes.
So, is it as glorified and as glamorous as it looks? Because layovers in fancy cities and having your chocola and pari and all of that, is it as
दूर के डोल
glamorous?
सुहाने. It is not at all as glamorous as it looks. It's a lot of struggle. ये बड़ा मुश्किल है. मतलब let's put it this way, 4 सेक्टर 2 सेक्टर करने के बाद जब तुम जाते हो, चाहे वो नागपुर का होटल हो या सिंगापुर का होटल हो, तुम्हें नींद आ रही होती है. You want to sleep. That is the first thing. ऑफ कोर्स मतलब डिपेंड्स कि अगर कोई बहुत अच्छे अमेजिंग लेओवर्स हो जहाँ पर आपको रेस्ट पीरियड ज़्यादा मिला है बिफोर योर नेक्स्ट फ्लाइट, देन यू कैन एक्सप्लोर दिस सिटी.
Yeah.
But otherwise, layovers, I think, even as a mother, at this point in life, I hate layovers. So it is all just an extra glorified version जो हम वहाँ डालते हैं कि भाई देखो हम मज़े कर रहे हैं, बिकॉज अपने दिल को या तो तसल्ली देनी है, बट ऐसा होता नहीं है, बिकॉज विदाउट फैमिली क्या ही मज़े कर लोगे यार.
Exactly.
सो इट्स नॉट एज गुड. बट अगेन वो डिपेंड करता है. आई थिंक जो यंगस्टर्स हैं वो डेफिनेटली इंजॉय करते हैं इस चीज़ को. सो मैं सबके बिहाफ पे नहीं बोल सकती ये चीज़ कि इट्स नॉट फैंसी. उनके लिए ये बहुत फैंसी है. जो नए नए बच्चे हमारे हैं, जो द यंग वंस, उनको बहुत मज़ा आता है. वो they won't think of sleeping, but they will think of exploring the city, hanging out and checking on. So I think it really depends आप किस stage पे हो life पे. मुझे तो बस सोना आता है तो.
So, talking about family, you're married to a pilot, and
Yes.
you guys look like a power couple. So, how is that dynamic? Like, do your fly hours they match? You are at home and he's flying out. How does it?
So I think when we started, which is 18 years back, it was very comfortable. हम लोग same airlines में थे, and that airline had a very good working culture.
Okay.
एंड वेरी गुड स्केड्यूल. मतलब हमारा बिल्कुल मैच हो जाता था. हमारी छुट्टियां हमारे साथ में होती थी. वी ट्रैवल्ड एवरीवेयर आराम से. मतलब हमने बहुत ट्रैवल किया. देन ही शिफ्टेड टू अनदर एयरलाइन एंड आई शिफ्टेड टू अनदर एयरलाइन. सो नाउ वी आर इन 2 डिफरेंट एयरलाइंस. एंड अब इंडिया में थोड़ा सा स्केड्यूलिंग, रोस्टर्स, वर्कलोड इज़ बहुत अलग जो होता था. तो अब थोड़ा सा डिफ़िकल्ट हो जाता है हमारे लिए भी. आई विल नॉट लाई. है थोड़ा सा अपना स्केड्यूल्स मैच करना और फिगर आउट करना. बट देन अब हम इतने साल से कर रहे हैं ना, सो आई थिंक हम यूज टू हो गया है इस चीज़ के. सो वी जस्ट लव द टाइम दैट वी टुगेदर. वी स्पेंड टाइम एज अ फैमिली एंड वी मेक द मोस्ट ऑफ इट. सो दैट इज़ हाउ इट इज़. वी अंडरस्टूड कि ये हमारा जॉब है, जस्ट लाइक एनी अदर जॉब. दिस इज़ आवर जॉब. सो वी जस्ट मेक द मोस्ट ऑफ बोथ द वर्ल्ड्स.
For the pilots, aspirants out there, I want to know how much money is actually needed at the backup to invest in terms of the courses and studying, and what are the minimum requirements one should fulfill in order to be a pilot? Because what we keep hearing, like, 6x6 and I should be 6x6 and your height should be, you should be this tall and all of that. But, looking at the pilots today, breaking all the stereotypes that we
Yeah.
have heard
Yes.
before from our parents, and of course they are not well aware either, so it's not their fault entirely.
Absolutely,
But we keep
absolutely.
hearing that 6x6 size nahi hongi, height
हाँ.
lambi nahi hogi, so you will
No,
not
no, no.
be.
There is a medical that you need to do,
Okay.
and this happens every year.
Okay.
So every year we go through these medicals.
Okay.
So there is, it's not 6x6, but it is also not absolutely no specs wala scene. As long as you've not having very, very high numbers, I think you are allowed to a certain number, which I'm not sure what it is. But eyesight पे you are allowed. Spectacles are allowed in flying. आपको 2 carry करने होते हैं अगर आप specs डालते हो तो I also use specs. So I know. And other than that, heights and everything, they do जब I mean young pilots जब जाते हैं flying करने, so there's a cockpit test that is done for
Okay.
the height drill.
Okay.
They have to fulfill that. So that
Okay.
needs to be fulfilled. उसके अलावा ये तो हो गया मेडिकल वाला पार्ट. एवरी ईयर आपके मेडिकल्स होते हैं विच इंक्लूड्स अ लॉट ऑफ टेस्ट्स, योर ECGs, EEGs, एवरीथिंग. सो एवरी ईयर वी डूइंग अ लॉट ऑफ टेस्ट्स मेडिकली, विच इज़ ग्रेट बिकॉज आपको भी फिर
You have to be fit,
यू नो
right?
फिर आप भी रहते हो ऑटोमेटिकली जब आप हर साल कर. एंड आई लव दिस अबाउट दिस प्रोफेशन बिकॉज समटाइम्स यू नो सर्टन थिंग्स में गो
Unnoticed,
missed,
of
unnoticed. Like I had a big cyst when मुझे ये मेडिकल पे ही मेरे पता चला था, जिसके बाद मैंने एंडोमेट्रियोसिस की सर्जरी कराई थी. सो आई थिंक दिस वाज, I'm very grateful to my profession for that because otherwise I don't know how far I would have gone with that thing
With that thing,
in my
of
body, right? अब मैं सारे टेस्ट जब हर साल होते हैं तो आप ऑटोमेटिकली बहुत चीज़ें आपको पता चलती है एंड आप मेडिकली अवेयर रहते हो एंड आप
Absolutely.
ध्यान देते हो अपने आप का मेडिकली भी फिजिकली भी. यू स्टार्ट बीइंग मोर कॉन्शियस विच इज़ वेरी गुड. ओके, सो दिस इज़ ग्रेट अबाउट आई थिंक बीइंग अ पायलट. रही बात आपकी कॉस्ट की टू बिकम अ पायलट, so currently there are a lot of as I said India में भी abroad में भी cadet pilot programs चल रहे हैं जहाँ पर again you have to pay for them but you start with an airline and they take care of everything. So
Okay.
basically you have to spend around 75 lakh upwards. It can go up to 1.2 1.3 CR the entire training and till you get a job. This is how it is. So आप लगा लो मतलब रिकवर करते करते बहुत टाइम लगता है. So I always tell people, see if you have that kind of money, financial backup है, you come from that strong background, then you put in, you know. आप
Exactly.
लोन लेके भी बच्चे करते हैं आजकल, सब कुछ करते हैं. आई वुडेंट से कि मत करो. Everybody is free to dream, definitely. So you do what suits you. But yeah, 90 lakhs is what I am looking at the figure currently
The
to become a pilot,
Pilot.
before your job.
before your job.
Yeah,
And again, like it takes years, I think more than 5 to 6 years to
yeah, at least
even
about
break
3 to 4.
even. To break even.
Oh, definitely. Definitely. I would look at, yeah, 4 years at least.
4 years at
Yeah.
minimum.
Yeah.
If you get like 1.5 to 2 around, so yeah,
Yeah, around 4 years.
around 4 years. You're also a content creator.
Yes.
So how is that, like a pilot and a content creator, two opposite directions, and you're doing both? So
I think I love being in front of the camera. I just love clicking photos, making stories of my life, and sharing my stories to the world. I think it is just something that I'm very
comes naturally
passionate.
to you.
Yeah,
Like you
kind
don't
of,
have to
kind
make
of.
an effort to do a setup and all of that. It's very
No, it's
natural.
not. उसके लिए तो बहुत सेटअप लगता है बिकॉज मैं इतनी क्रिएटिव नहीं हूँ. Honestly speaking, वो एफर्ट लगता है. बट मुझे जस्ट आई लाइक पुटिंग माई सेल्फ आउट देयर.
Okay.
You know, like some people don't like sharing too much about their life, right? Ki, I don't want to tell people where I was having lunch. But for me, even if I'm having a cheese sandwich, I wouldn't mind putting a story out there because I just love connecting with people, talking to people. So I get a lot of DMs from young people, 17, 18-year-olds who want to become pilots. So I mean, I feel very good कि I can probably be of some help. And कोई शायद मुझे देख के इंस्पायर
You're
हो
the
जाए.
role model, the icon that they
Yeah,
look up
like
to.
I want to look at it this way कि शायद कोई कहीं पर इंस्पायर हो जाए कि यार लाइफ को पॉजिटिवली जियो. Like I want to put a positivity out there because I am generally very positive mindset. क्या पता कौन कब इंस्पायर हो जाए और सोचे कि यार दूसरा बच्चा कर लूँ. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
Like,
yeah.
you never know what bits and pieces of your life can make a difference to someone else's life.
Shout out to your page. You can tell your page to the
Oh yeah,
audience.
please guys follow me on Pilot Mom Arveen, where I also share like my pilot journey, my being a mother
Parenting journey,
traveling,
all that.
my husband. Basically, it's all out there. So I love sharing things there. Yeah.
So do follow, guys.
Yes.
And moving to the last segment of this episode, that's going to be the rapid fire. So I'll be asking you questions. You have to give me good, quirky answers.
Okay.
And you
I'll
have to be
try.
very rapid.
Yeah, I'll try. Yeah.
So the first question is the best view you have ever had from a cockpit window.
The best view
The best view in 18 years of flying.
in 18 years of flying. The best view I've ever had. I love Phuket Airport.
Okay.
Yeah, the Phuket runway. It's beautiful. Yeah, it's very nice.
And one airport you secretly dislike landing in?
Oh, wow. Indore, maybe? I don't like it so much. I don't know why.
One favorite aviation myth passengers believe that you want to bust once and for all.
That the plane is flying on autopilot. No, darling, the pilots are flying the plane.
Okay. Um, Dream aircraft you would love to fly, even if you're retired.
Airbus 380.
Okay. One song that's always on your playlist while traveling?
Hanuman Chalisa.
Oh, you do that?
Yeah.
Before every flight?
Yes.
You do that? Oh, that's amazing. The coolest perk of being a pilot that nobody talks about.
I can make impromptu travel plans to another country.
Oh, of course. How can you forget that, guys? So, this is Rapid Fire with Arveen. And so far, the episode has been great.
It's been so nice talking to you. It felt amazing.
Likewise. So,
thank
we
you.
got some amazing insights in this episode. How to become a pilot, what are the
Yeah.
drawbacks to it, what are
Yes.
the upsides to that. Everything we got it from Arveen sitting here, right here.
Thank you, guys. Thank you for having me.
If you like this episode, make sure that you like, share, and subscribe, and stay tuned in for the next one.